How you can pin a message in WhatsApp. So the first thing that you need to do is open your WhatsApp. So for this, you simply need to write a message. For now, let me write, "Hello, how are you?" To anyone, you'll just be sending this message. Now what we need to do is select this message. For this, you'll have to long press the text, and then on the top right corner, you will see three dots. So we need to click here, and then we can see the option of pin. Now we get to select for how long do we want to pin our message. It could be for 24 hours, or for 7 days, or for 30 days, which is equal to 1 month as well. So for now, I would like to pin this message for 30 days. So I will select that option and then click on pin. Now, how to know if your message has pinned? There are two ways to know it. One is that you can see this "You pinned a message" option, and the other is right below your text, you will see a small pin symbol. Now, in case if you want to unpin your message, we need to follow the same process, which is select the message which you want to unpin. So for example, since I have pinned this message, I will be selecting this and then go to the three dots on the top right corner and then select the unpin option. So it's that simple to pin messages on WhatsApp, and in a very similar manner we can also pin any images or videos that we want.